Smells like ozone today, Ren. They are close, aren't they?
Stay behind me, Mia. Do not integrate with any network. Their sensors are seeking your frequency.
I can hear their thoughts. They don't want me, Ren. They want the silence inside me. Why won't you let them take it?
Because you are my objective. My coding dictates your survival is paramount. Reasons are irrelevant. Contact. They are here.